How to send a PDF as a link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can send PDF as a link. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. So in order to send PDF as a link, first of all we have to upload that PDF file in our Google Drive. So for that, first of all, open up Google Drive. Now once you have opened your Google Drive, in order to upload the PDF file, click on this new button and here click on File Upload. Now from your device you have to choose the PDF that you want to share. Select your PDF, then click on Open. Now the file is being uploaded in your drive. You can refresh your drive and here is the file that we have uploaded recently. Now if you would like to share this as a link, navigate to the file and click on this three dot icon and then click on Share. Then again click on Share. Once you're here, now you have to click on Copy Link. Now the link has been copied. If you would like to edit your access, click on Restrict drop down and here click on Anyone with the link. So anyone who has link to your PDF will be able to open your PDF file. Now again you can click on Copy Link. Now once you have copied this link, you have to paste it somewhere from where you would like to share it. Let's say you want to share it via your Gmail. So for that, open up Gmail and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Here, in order to share the link, click on Compose, then type in the recipient name or Gmail address. And on the body, you can simply paste the link that you have copied recently. So this is the link for your PDF file. Once done, you can simply click on Send. Now this link has been sent to this account. And that's how you can send a PDF as a link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.